Welcome back. Videocon Group has won the bid as franchisee for Goa in the Indian Super League in consortium with Dempo and Salgaonkar Group of companies. The franchisees for Indian Super League were announced on Sunday. IMG Reliance has finalized 8 cities like Goa, Bangalore, Delhi, Guwahati, Kochi, Pune, Bangalore and Mumbai. The 2-month Super League will be played in the month of September and October.
Batting legend Sachin Tendulkar won the bid for Kochi franchise in ISL. Former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly backed Kolkata franchise in ISL, whereas Bollywood actors Ranbir Kapoor, Salman Khan and John Abraham backed Mumbai, Guwahati and Pune. Den Cable owner Sameer Manchanda backed Delhi, while the Videocon Group got Goa. The Indian Super League is aimed at revolutionizing Indian football.
The Dempo and the Salgaonkar Group of companies have shown growing interest in the Indian Super League. Sources said the bid for the Goa franchise has been won by a consortium that consists Srinivas Dempo, Dattarat Salgaonkar and Videocon. Meanwhile, cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar has won the bid for Kochi franchise. Sourav Ganguly won for Kolkata franchise. Bollywood superstars Salman Khan, Ranbir Kapoor and John Abraham were amongst the other franchises. They won the bid to franchise for other city clubs. Den Networks in Delhi has won the bid for Delhi. With Bureau Inputs, reporter Mahesh Khadi for Prudent.
Lok Sabha poll 2014 will be always remembered for second reason apart from Namo and Raga war. Bollywood stars and celebrities are contesting for the poll across the nation. Around 25 to 30 celebrities are in the fray. Of these, 80% are first-timers. Majority of celebrities have chosen Congress or BJP. 16th Lok Sabha might go filmy way if these celebs manage to win.
May it be a Bollywood or Tollywood star or a sportsman, none of them have been able to evade the attraction or magic of politics. 16th Lok Sabha poll is witnessing numerous stars and celebrities contesting against bigwigs of politics. They are 25 to 30 in number and most of them are debutants. To begin with, footballer Baichung Bhutia contesting from Darjeeling and Dev from Ghatal in Midnapur district on Trinamool Congress ticket. Bengali and Bollywood starlet Munmun Sen contesting from Bankura on Trinamool Congress ticket. Bollywood star Gul Panag is Aam Aadmi Party's candidate from Chandigarh. Dream girl Hema Malini will contest as BJP candidate from Mathura. Kiran Kher, BJP candidate from Chandigarh. Bhojpuri star Kamal Khan is SP candidate from Mumbai Northwest. Bhojpuri superstars Manoj Tiwari is a BJP candidate from Northeast Delhi, while Ravi Kishan Shukla is a Congress candidate from Jaunpur, UP. Cricketer Mohammad Khaif contesting from Phulpur as a Congress candidate. Bollywood and Bhojpuri star Nagma is a Congress candidate from Meerut. Bollywood superstar Paresh Rawal is BJP's East Ahmedabad candidate of BJP. Rakhi Sawant contests as independent candidate from Mumbai Northwest. Raj Babbar is Congress candidate from Ghaziabad. Shatrughan Sinha from Patna Sahib as BJP ticket. Smriti Irani BJP candidate from Amethi against Rahul Gandhi. Vinod Khanna BJP candidate from Gurdaspur. Ace Bollywood music director Bappi Lahiri to contest from Srirampur as BJP candidate. Bollywood singer Babul Supriyo as BJP candidate from Asansol, West Bengal. Joy Banerjee on Trinamool Congress ticket from New Delhi. Marathi and Bollywood star Mahesh Manjrekar is Maharashtra Navanirman Sena's candidate from Northwest Mumbai. Jayaprada contesting from Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh as RLD candidate. Bollywood actor Javed Jafri is Aam Aadmi Party's candidate from Lucknow. Till now, the glamour quotient of Bollywood, Tollywood and from sporting field had reached Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha has members like Javed Akhtar, Rekha, Jaya Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Mithun Chakraborty and others who are glittering the sessions with their starry presence. Now all eyes are set at Lok Sabha where around 30 celebrities are contesting. नेता का अभिनेता बनना मुश्किल है, पर अभिनेता का नेता बनना उतना ही आसान. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.